Good morning, students. Today we will continue to study chapter 9. Please leave a message. Okay, so kindly open page number 82. 82. First, I will read the paragraphs loudly. Thereafter, I will explain them. Now, all Doody had to do was look at the picture to remember the message. Doody felt very pleased. The phone rang again. Hello, a man's voice said. Is Mr. Shlomo home? Hello? No, he isn't, Judy replied. Will you please take a message? The man asked. Please tell him that Mr. Thomas Wolfe will visit him tonight. Okay, said Judy. Thank you, the man said. You're welcome, said Doody, and he hung up. This message was very simple. Doody drew a forest and a wolf. He added some dark lines with his pencil because the wolf would come to see Father in the evening. Now, he had two messages to give, one to Mother and one to Father. Someone rang the doorbell. We are back, Doody, his father said. Did anyone call? His mother asked. Yes, a woman and a man. I took down their messages for you, Doody said. You took them down? They asked together. Okay, so first we will see the explanation of page number 82. Okay, so now all Doody had to do was look at the picture and remember the message. Okay, Doody had drawn a message. Which message? A message which was containing a woman's face. Okay, a woman's face opened with her mouth and containing 7 teeth. Okay, so he had drawn a message, a woman's face with her mouth open, and inside that he had drawn 7 teeth. Okay, so he had to remember this message in order to pass to his mother. Doody felt very pleased. Okay, Doody felt very pleased. Pleased means happy. What's the meaning of pleased? Pleased means happy. So, seeing his message he had drawn, seeing that he felt very happy. The phone rang again. The phone rang for the second time. Hello, a man's voice said. Is Mr. Shlomo home? Okay, so the one who had called, he asked that, is Mr. Shlomo home? This time a man had called and he asked, is Mr. Shlomo home? Hello, no, he isn't, Doody replied. What did Doody reply? Doody replied that his father's name was Shlomo and he was not at home. So he said he isn't. Will you please take a message? The man asked. Okay, so man asked that will you please take a message? Please tell him that Mr. Thomas Wolfe will visit him tonight. Okay, so man asked to tell Mr. Shlomo that Mr. Thomas Wolfe will visit him tonight. Tonight means, what's the meaning of tonight? Tonight means the same night. Okay, tonight means the same night. Mr. Thomas Wolfe will visit Dodi's father the same night. Okay, said Dodi. Okay, so Dodi said, okay. Thank you, the man said. Okay, so at the end, man said, thank you. You are welcome, said Dodi, and he hung up. Okay, saying welcome, Dodi kept the phone down. This message was very simple. Okay, Dodi drew a forest and a wolf. Okay, so what did he do? He drew a forest. He drew a forest and a wolf. This time he had to draw a forest and a wolf. He added some dark lines with his pencil because the wolf would come to see father in the evening. Okay, so in order to remember the message, Dodi drew a forest and a wolf. And he also drew some dark lines with his pencil in order to remember that Mr. Wolfe will come to visit his father in the evening. Okay. Now he had two messages to give. One to mother and one to father. Okay. So Dodi has drawn two messages. One to give to his mother and another to his father. Okay. Someone rang the doorbell. We are back, Dodi, his father said. So, his parents came back from outside. His father told that they were back. Did anyone call? His mother asked. Okay, so his mother asked, Dodi's mother asked that, did anyone call? Yes, a woman and a man. So Dodi replied that yes, a woman and a man had called. I took down their messages for you, Dodi said. So what did Dodi say? Dodi said that he has taken down the messages for them. Took down means, what's the meaning of took down? Wrote something down. Took down means wrote something down. Okay, so he had drawn two messages in the paper. He took down the messages in the paper. Dodi said, you took them down? They asked together. So his parents, Dina and Shlomo said together, you took them down? Okay. So now we will see next page, page number 83. See page number 83. Yes, Dodi said, here they are. Dodi showed his parents his drawings. They looked at the drawings. Then they looked at each other. Dodi's parents did not understand anything. Do you understand the pictures, Dodi? His parents asked him. Of course, Dodi replied. He looked at his drawings and gave his parents both the messages with no mistakes. His parents were very happy. Dodi felt very proud. Okay, so both the messages Dodi has drawn. Okay, now his parents have come back from the market, from outside, and he has to pass both the messages to his parents. So he says, yes, they are here. The messages are here. Dodi showed his parents his drawings. So whatever he has drawn, he showed his parents. They looked at the drawings. Shlomo and Dina looked at the drawings. Then they looked at each other. Okay, so seeing the drawings, they looked at each other. Dodi's parents did not understand anything. Seeing the drawing, his parents did not understand anything. Okay, his mother and father, Tina and Shlomo, did not understand anything seeing the drawings. Do you understand the pictures, Dodi? So they asked. Tina and Shlomo asked that, do you understand the pictures? Of course, Dodi replied. Of course. Of course means a way of saying yes. Of course means a way of saying yes. Okay. So instead of saying yes, he has said of course. It is a way of saying yes. Yes, Dodi replied. He looked at his drawings and gave his parents both the messages with no mistakes. Okay, so he had to deliver both the messages to his parents. Okay, so he looked at his drawings and gave his parents both the messages. Okay, seeing the drawings, he passed the messages to his parents without making mistakes. His parents were very happy. Okay, so he's saying this, his parents were very happy. Dodi felt very proud. Okay, Dodi felt very proud. Proud means very happy that he did something well. Very happy that he did something well. Okay, so when he could deliver both the messages correctly, Dodi felt very happy, and his parents also were very happy that he could pass both the messages correctly. Okay, so hope you have understood this story. Okay, so this story is written by Neera Harem. Written by Neera Harem. Okay, so now I request you all to do the loud reading practice and learn word meanings. Okay.